It looks like Sam is trying to climb down the rope with the cat on him. Not sure how this is going to work out. Yeah, the cat's wanting to crawl off.
What are you taking a picture of? What's that?
Sam is trying to get down the rope with the cat. I think he's gonna do it. Not sure if he's gonna, but he kind of looks like it. Maybe not. He got all ready. Oh, wow, okay. Using the sled, I don't know what for. Slide the cat down in Colton's face. Colton's gonna hold it up maybe while Sam gets in it. That would be quite a sight. What is he doing? My goodness. The cat does not want to go.
The cat does not want to go.
Whoa! Whoa! Ah, woo! Woo! Little chase here. The cat, Sam's getting down
probably
finally.
got stuck in the tree.
Whoa!
The cat got stuck
The cat
in
got
the tree.
went over here somewhere,
The cat got
and it ran somewhere. I don't know. That was quite a sight, honestly. Nice. No snow pants on. All muddy.